Okay, pupils, we are on this Academy Stars Year 6 workbook on page 8. So, lesson 1, vocabulary. So, number 1, activity 1 is read and match the words to the correct definition. So, number 1, another word for electricity is called power. So, I will write E here. So, if I draw the line, it will be very messy. So, I just write the alphabet on the left of the number. So number 2, a large machine that you use to cook food. So it's called cooker, H. Number 3, to practice something before you perform it in front of people. So it's rehearse, F. And then number 4, the word for 1 million. So they are around 7 digits, which 0 have 6 zeros. So 1000 times 1000 is equal to 1 million. So it's B. So remember million, we have 2 L's and 2 I's. So number 5, a form of transport that takes people to hospital. So it's called ambulance. So A. 6, you use this to make a building warm. So it's called heating, I. And then number 7, a source of energy that we use for lights and many machines. So it's electricity, J. Number 8, something bad that happens that often hurts you. So it's called accident. Number 9, to happen or affect people with force. So it's hit, H-I-T, C. And number 10, feeling uncomfortable and a little stupid. So it's called embarrassed, G. And number 2, complete the dialogue with the words from activity 1. So I will maximize it a bit. So A, hi Joe, why didn't you call me last night? I'm sorry, there was no electricity and all the lights went out. Oh no, you had a power cut. So this power cut. Where were you when it hit? H-I-T. So I was at school. I'm going to play in a concert on Saturday, so I had to rehearse. A, how did you get home? I had to walk. It was scary in the dark, and I saw an, so this accident. A car crashed into a building. So was it serious? No, no one was badly hurt, but so a vehicle is called ambulance. Took the driver to hospital. So did you get home okay? Yes, but it was really cold. There was no, so heating, because we have electricity on number 1. So number 7 is heating. And we couldn't make any dinner. The, so cooker, Stop working 2. Poor you. What time did the electricity come back on? So this morning, a man from the electricity company was on TV. So he was really embarrassed. So it's double R and A, double S, and then ED. Embarrassed about the power cut. So more than a million. MILLION. More than a million people had no lights or power all night. So that's it for today. We are on Academy Stars Year 6 Workbook, page 8. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And you can see the related videos here. And below this video, you can click the link and then join my Telegram robot.